In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Weebly. If you've ever made a change that you wish you hadn't, or simply want to explore your creative options without commitment, knowing how to undo changes can be a game changer. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Weebly website. You'll want to navigate to the main page of Weebly's site builder, where you can access all the tools to create and manage your online presence. Once you're there, you'll notice various options to create a free website or online store, but let's focus on logging in so you can access your existing site. Go ahead and log in using your email and password. It's important to have your credentials at hand to make this a smooth process. If you've saved your login details previously, logging in might just be a click away. After entering your credentials, click on the login button. This will take you straight to your dashboard where you can oversee all aspects of your site management. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you should see your site's overview page. Here you'll find a snapshot of your website's activity, traffic, and various settings. Look for the option that says Edit Site and click on it. This will take you to the website editor where all the magic happens. In the site editor, navigate to the section or page where you'd like to undo something. Let's say there's a specific section of text or an element that you've changed and wish to revert. Click on the specific text or element you want to modify within the editor. You'll want to make sure this is selected correctly, as the next move will rely on this selection. Above the text or element, you'll notice an editing bar with various icons. Look for the undo icon, which typically looks like a curved arrow pointing backward. Clicking this will instantly revert the last change you made. It's a quick action but a powerful one, saving you from manually redoing or recreating what existed before. Remember, the undo function is a creative safety net. It allows you to experiment and make adjustments without permanent repercussions until you're satisfied with the outcome. Make sure to frequently save your progress as you work on your website to ensure that all desired changes and undos are safely recorded. And there you have it. You've learned how to undo in Weebly swiftly and effectively, giving you the confidence to innovate without fear. Thanks for tuning in, and as always,